fourth solutions worksheet in the group, or quiz, however we want to look at it. So let's get going. This is all about concentrations and extending your understanding of concentrations a little bit more. So first question is asking which solution contains exactly a half a mole, 0.5 moles of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So you need to understand that you have molarity formula. Molarity is moles over liters. Well, if you want to find the moles, the top one, that's just simply the molarity times the liters. So what you're going to do is just take the volume that they give you times the molarity. And so 1 times 1 is going to be 1. 2 times 1 is going to be 2. And continue on, you'll see that the answer for a half a mole is going to be 1 liter of a 0.5 molar solution. Remember, the word of can be translated into mathematics as a multiply. So 1 times 0.5 is 0.5. Second question is, what's the total number of grams of KCl? And they give you the formula mass, molar mass. That's right there, formula mass, 74.6 grams per mole. In 1 liter of a 2 molar solution. So right there, they're telling you have 1 liter of 0.2. So that's telling you, all right, well, molarity is the number of moles divided by the liters. Well, but we want to find the moles. So the moles is going to be right here. There's the molarity, 2 molar. I know it's not a capital M, but it's molar. The word molar means molarity. 0.200, I gave you an extra 0 there, equals moles over 1 liter. So you just multiply those together, and you're going to get 0.2 moles. So if you have 0.2 moles, and the formula mass is 74.6, so you want to find the given mass. So again, the number of moles equals the given mass divided by the gram formula mass. Multiply these two things right here, and you're going to get given mass is equal to the number of moles, 0.200, times the molar mass, and that gives you the answer. So 0.2 of that is, I believe, 14.9. 14.92 actually, I think. Number 3, the total number of moles of sodium hydroxide, again, they give you a formula mass, needed to make 1 liter of a 0.2 molar solution. Same problem as the last one. You're given the molarity, you're given the volume, you're asked to find the moles. There's the molarity, there's the volume, you're asked to find the moles. Multiply those two together, and you're going to get 0.200 moles. All right, you have 0.200 moles. The formula mass is 40. 0.200 times 40. 0.200 times 40. And there it is. It's going to be 8. The fourth one, which preparation produces a 2 molar solution of C6H12O6, glucose? Well, they give you the molar mass. Well, you want to make molarity to be 2. All right, so you want to have something so it's like maybe 2 over 1, or 1 over 0.5, or 4 over 2, or something to that effect. Well, first they're giving you the grams. Well, the number of moles is the given mass divided by the gram formula mass. So you're going to take 90, or you're going to take 180, because your two choices are 90 or 180. So 90 or 180 over 80. Well, 90 over 180 is 0.5. 180 over 180 is 1. So you're either going to have a half a mole or 1 mole. So you go through here. So we have, this would be a half a mole, and a half a liter. Well, half divided by half is going to be 1. A half divided by 1 is going to be, well, that's going to be 1/2 divided by 1 is going to be 0.5. 180, which is 1 mole, 1 mole divided by half a liter, well, that's 108. That's a 0.5 divided by a 0.5. Excuse me, that's a 1 divided by 0.5. That's going to be 2. Here would be 1 mole over 1 liter. 1 over 1 is going to be 1. 1 over a half is going to be 2. You want a 2 molar? There it is, number 4. And the final problem. How many grams of glucose are needed to be dissolved in water to make 100 grams of a 250 parts per million solution? So they're telling you, okay, your parts per million is going to be 250, right? 250 parts per million. The grams is going to be what you're looking for over 100. X over 100 times 1 million. So you move this all, so 250 times 100 divided by 1 million. So when you work that all out, that's going to solve for your X. So 250 times 100, All right, and then so if you're good with those zeros, so you have now 250 with 3 zeros, and you divide it by 6 zeros, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now you're left with 2.5 times 10 to the times 10 to the fourth. So it should be 2.5 times 10 to the negative 2 because you're backing it up. So 2.5 times 10 to the negative 2 because you have 1, 2, 3, and you divide it by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. And there you are. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, hopefully you did well.